Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. For today's salad, I am presenting to you the salad SHESTA. So if you want to know how I made this beauty, stay with me. I wanted to eat something fresh, something fun, and something a little bit sweet. What you will need is our prep lettuce for the week, a cucumber, a green apple, some feta cheese, some walnuts, a bit of prosciutto, and sweet potatoes. First off is we're going to cook this beauty, which is sweet potatoes. I really enjoy to have sweet potatoes in my salad. It adds a little bit of glucid and carb, which really helps to keep full during the day. What I usually do is I take off some of the skin and then I cut it in little pieces, but the tiniest pieces that you could have. Personally, I prefer when it's tiny because it just goes well with a chopped salad. Once you finish cutting it, you put it in a big bowl and then you put some olive oil, paprika, chili flake, pepper, and salt, and then you toss it, and for extra flavor you add some fresh garlic into the mix. You get it prepped to go in the oven for approximately 30 minutes, and then you'll be fresh potatoes. This is my favorite way to do sweet potatoes for salad. Unbeatable. So we're starting off with the cucumber. Since we haven't prepped it, I'm just going to show you really quick how I prep my cucumber. I will take a lemon and just going to really wash the cucumber, and then you just rinse it, and then you come and you peel some of the skin just so it could be prettier, tastier. Since we're having a chopped salad, like I've said, so you're just going to go ahead and cut your cucumber the way you like it, but for when everything is small. I take usually like have a one bite and then I just go ahead and put it there. We'll go with a green apple. So for the apple, I just wanted to cut it like really thin, so it could almost be like onions. You know, the same size as onion. This is what we're trying to have here. Once it's cut up like that, you could just come and recut it here. So you could have thin and long. So good. We're just going to go ahead and put in our bowl, and we're going to add these bad boys. I would say maybe a hand of them, and then we'll do feta cheese. For the prosciutto, we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven so it can turn all crisp and golden as bacon. So this is our fresh prosciutto as bacon. We're just going to cut them and then add them to the bowl. Oh my god, I love prosciutto so much. So last part, we're doing the salad dressing. So what you'll need is half of a lemon, which we have here. We'll have some olive oil, salt and pepper, a little bit of chili flakes, a little bit of mustard Dijon, and maple syrup. In the mustard, 1 complete teaspoon of olive oil, syrup, a pinch of chili flakes. So look at this beauty, but we're missing something. We're missing our walnuts. So we're just going to take half of an end of walnuts, We're going to chop it. And we're going to spread it over this beauty. Yes, girl, look at you looking so fine. I'm presenting to you the salad SHESTA. We have our salad dressing that we did. We're just going to put it all over it, you know? Just like in a non-messy way. Look at her replenishing. So good.